In this video, I'll show you how to push code to GitHub. First, open your web browser, go to GitHub, and create a new repository if you haven't already. Copy the repository URL, then open your project in your preferred code editor and launch the integrated terminal. Next, if your project isn't already a Git repository, initialize it with the git init command. Then add all of your project files using git add, and create your first commit with git commit m followed by a short message that describes your changes. Now, connect your local project to your GitHub repository by running the git remote add origin command and pasting the repository URL you copied earlier. This links your local project to the remote repository on GitHub. After that, push your code by running the git push origin main command. If your default branch is named master, replace main with master. The first time you push, Git may ask you to authenticate with your GitHub account. Complete the sign-in process if prompted. Finally, return to your GitHub repository and refresh the page. You should now see your project files uploaded to GitHub. Whenever you make changes in the future, simply use git add, git commit, and git push to upload the latest version of your code. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to push code to GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.